Another day, another story. In the realm of political science, economics, and philosophy, the concept of making collective decisions is of paramount importance. Social choice theory is a field that seeks to explore and analyze the methods by which societies can aggregate individual preferences to arrive at group decisions. This theory delves into the challenges, paradoxes, and implications of collective decision-making, often highlighting the complexities that arise when trying to accommodate diverse individual choices within the framework of a larger community. In this video, we will delve into the basics of social choice theory, its key concepts, and provide illustrative examples. Core concepts of social choice theory. Individual preferences. Social choice theory revolves around the individual preferences of members in a society. These preferences could be about candidates in an election, public policies, or even consumer choices in economic models. Aggregation methods. The central question is how to aggregate individual preferences into a single, societal preference. Various methods are explored, ranging from simple voting mechanisms to more complex algorithms. Arrow's impossibility theorem. This famous theorem, formulated by economist Kenneth Arrow, states that it is impossible to have a perfect voting system that satisfies all desirable criteria simultaneously. This theorem highlights the inherent challenges and limitations of collective decision-making. Condorcet paradox. This paradox arises when individual preferences, when aggregated, do not result in a transitive societal preference. In simple terms, if A is preferred to B, and B is preferred to C, it does not necessarily mean that A is preferred to C in the aggregated result. Examples of social choice theory. Election scenarios. Imagine a small town holding an election for a new mayor. The voters have 3 candidates to choose from: Alice, Bob, and Carol. Individual voters have their preferences, such as Alice, Bob, Carol. However, when these preferences are aggregated, the result might not be straightforward. This could lead to the Condorcet paradox, where no candidate holds a majority of preferences in pairwise comparisons. Rank order voting. In a school debate club, members are asked to rank 5 debate topics from most preferred to least preferred. The club then wants to choose the topic that receives the most overall preference. However, due to the complexity of individual preferences, the rank order voting system might not always produce a clear winner. Public policy decisions. Consider a committee tasked with selecting a public policy related to environmental conservation. Each committee member has their own preferences, which can be weighted based on their expertise. Aggregating these preferences while considering the importance of each member's opinion becomes a complex task, and the outcome may not satisfy all parties. Social welfare functions. Economists often use social welfare functions to gauge overall societal well-being based on individual preferences. However, there's often a trade-off between individual and collective welfare, and determining the optimal outcome can be intricate. Voting systems. Different voting systems, such as first-past-the-post, proportional representation, and ranked choice voting, offer varying ways to aggregate individual preferences. Each system has its strengths and weaknesses, leading to debates over their effectiveness. Social choice theory serves as a lens through which we can scrutinize the intricacies of collective decision-making. The complexities highlighted by concepts like Arrow's impossibility theorem and the Condorcet paradox remind us that reaching unanimous or even majority decisions in complex societies is a multifaceted challenge. While the theory underscores the limitations of perfectly satisfying all preferences, it also encourages us to develop better decision-making mechanisms that acknowledge diversity and promote equitable outcomes in our interconnected world. Thanks for watching.